Mercer Brock lies. Alpha Marshal isn't a match for Bradley. He'll lose in 5 seconds.
How'd you say that?
3, 2, 1.
Redclaw, all a pack of worthless dogs. Even their leader falls so easily.
Bloodshadow! Get off Redclaw land! Lorry!
To a little girl like you, I don't even need a weapon. Now then, agree to be my and Gomez's slave, and I might let you suffer a little less.
I'd rather die.
Then die.
There's no other choice. I have to fight. Today, I may die here.
Mrs. Winslow.
My child, my son, I am your mother. The greatest pain of my life was failing to protect you 20 years ago, leaving you alone in that forest to see you again before dying. Knowing you're alive and well, that's enough for me.
She's my mother. That's why she cared so much about me. That's why she felt so familiar. And that's why she worried whether I could leave safely. Mom.
I thought Redclaw was already pathetic enough. Turns out there's more surprise! And you, a poor thing who doesn't even have a wolf. Marshal! What is he, a proof for your wife's affair with a human?
Beat me first, then!
Burn your wolf spirit? Since you're so eager to die, then all of you will die together. Your whole Redclaw pack will be buried with you! He doesn't even have a wolf's aura. How can he get such strength?
My boy. Are you okay? Did he hurt you?
Don't worry.
Please, stop the fight. I just found you and I can't lose my son again. Go, hurry. Leave this place.
I thought you were someone impressive. Turns out the Alpha of Redclaw gave birth to a dirty blood human who doesn't even have a wolf! Hey, Marshal! How do you feel about your Luna sleeping with a human guy and bringing you back a bastard? Even if Winsett admits you're her son, A worthless trash without a wolf will never be part of Redclaw! Get back here! Stop disgracing us!
I've never thought of myself as a Redclaw. The only reason I'm here is for my mother and my sister's safety. And you and your pack mean nothing to me.
Listen, little rat. You get down on the ground and beg for forgiveness by licking my boots clean.
Get my words. The one on the ground today will be someone else.
You asked for it! Yeah!
No, it can't be.
Bradley Bloodshard. Looks like your wolf is even more fragile than paper.
Father! You old bastard! Your pack cheated! He doesn't even have a wolf. How could he possibly beat my father? What kind of filthy trick did you do?
There's clearly not a trace of wolf on him. But that power, the effortless way he wielded it, it rivals even the Lycan King at the peak of his legend. Who the hell is he?
You little bastard! Don't get cocky! Do you know who my uncle is? He's Chase Sorewind. The Alpha! Ranked 8th on the scroll! If you dare hurt us, he'll never let you go! Raven! Come back here! Don't make it further! You'll bring total disaster upon Redclaw!
Even if he were Alpha from the toughest pack, anyone who dares harm my family will end up dead.
What a brash kid. It's you who will die.
You are done, kid.
Uncle Chase! You're finally here! You're finished. My uncle is ranked 8th on the scroll. His power will tear you apart like rotten wood.
8 on the scroll. It's over. Redclaw is doomed.
Kid, listen to Mum. Run! You can still get away from this now! You've done so much for us, we won't blame you! Go! Raven, go!
Don't worry, Mum. Laurie, I told you. I'll make sure they never dare set foot on Redclaw land again.
Who do you think you are? The Lycan King? You're nothing but an ignorant brat who doesn't know his place. Today, I'll show you what true alpha power is.
Take this!
Quickly click the link below to watch the full version now.